Hey, Zach here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the back end of your Shopify store. So let's take a look at it. Now, if you're logged in to your Shopify store, you should see this admin panel here. Actually, let me click on home. Yeah, it's going to look something like this. And generally this stuff on the left hand side here, most of this is going to be your back end. So when I say back end, I mean it's dealing with product data, analytics, all that kind of stuff. If we want to go to the front end, you'd click on online store here and then click on customize to change things in the front end. We're not going to do that in this video. We're going to focus only on the back end. So let's just start right here. Next one is orders. It's going to show all the orders that are coming up, all the orders that have been made. You'll be able to print shipping labels, do all that kind of stuff. Next is products. So if you want to add a product, you just click here. It's pretty easy. Just type in the name, new product, put the description, and upload an image here. Price, track quantity or no, add how many you want in inventory, or you're going to have like a lot in inventory or not. And then, yeah, most of this variants, if it's going to have different sizes or colors, you do that. And then you would save it, make sure it's active. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and give it just a random image. Okay, so we can see here there's one new product here. So next would be collections. If you want to group your products into collections, you just go to create collection, and I'll have a more in-depth video on products and collections later. But it would basically, if it's going to be something like this, like, let me show you one example of what I do. If you want to have all your products, then we're going to make it a smart collection and make the price is greater than 1 penny. And then that way we save then all of the products in your store that have a price greater than 1 cent are all going to be automatically put into this collection. So then looking more into the products, you've got your inventory, so you can easily see how much you have available, and you can change it right here for all your products. Let's see, we don't really need to look at this stuff for now. Transfers, gift cards. This is if you're going to have gift cards, and we don't need to do with this because this isn't wholesale. But okay, next, customers. This is where you would find all of the people who have either signed up for your newsletter or bought something from you. And you might have different segments like these: email subscribers, customers who have purchased at least once, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, next, we're going to go into the content. So most of what you'll want to deal with in the content here is files. So if there's some kind of images, especially if you're working with other people, maybe you have a graphic designer or a developer on your store, you can easily just upload a bunch of files here. And then, yeah, then the people working on your store would easily be able to get those images and put them in different places in your store. Okay, next, menus. So the main menu on the store currently only has these 3 items here. If we go to view your online store, you should see it has just these 3: home, catalog, contact. So you could create one. Let's say we want to make an FAQ, and you'd have to link this to a page that you made that's called FAQ. That will be more, and that'll be for a different video if you want to go into detail about that. For now, let's just link this to the home page, and you could move this up here and turn this into like a sub element. So save that here, and we could continue adding stuff here about, obviously we would click on pages and make it an about page, but we don't have that made yet, so I'm just going to do a placeholder link, save it. Now let's refresh the page. Takes a minute sometimes. There we go. So refreshed, and now you can see those links would be here. But I'm actually going to delete those because I don't want that right now. Okay, great. Next, you have blog posts. If you want to create a blog post here, but again, we're not going to go into too much detail. You should be able to just go in here and do it. I'll make detailed videos for each of these. I mean, if you're going to get into looking into detail into all this stuff, it's going to really take hours. So next we have finance. This store is not live, so it can't really see it. But yeah, this will have some information about your payments. Analytics, this is really cool. You'll be able to see all of your sales, like which products are selling the most, all these kinds of, just look at all these reports. That's why Shopify is just so powerful. You can see all this information, like sales by product, by discount, customer name, just everything. Okay, then we've got marketing campaigns. This is if you're going to make some email campaigns to be sending out for marketing and automations, you could easily go in there and create some automations. Next, we have discounts. This is if you're going to create a discount, you can do something, you can have it to where it's automatic, or you could make them put a discount code. So amount off products, for example, yeah, you can see automatic discount or discount code, and you can set it to only be used like one per customer, limit the number in total. There's all kinds of things you can do with the discounts. But all right, that was an overview of the back end of your Shopify store. And again, I'm going to go through each of those things in details and make like a full video explaining it in depth if you're interested in that. So definitely check back here at this channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.